Good morning, class 5th. We were reading chapter 5, that is breathing deeply. Today we are going to read third part of chapter 5th. In the previous classes, we have understood about the breathing, inhalation, exhalation, diaphragm, lungs, windpipe. Now in this class, we are going to understand inhalation and exhalation in detail, the process of inhalation and exhalation. So students, open page number 23 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words or to fill empty places. When we breathe in air, the diaphragm moves down and the lungs become large due to the air taken in. So, when we breathe in, oxygen which is present in the air goes into our lungs, and there the diaphragm moves down and the chest swells due to the air taken in. This process of breathing air in is called inhalation. When we breathe out air, the process relaxes and moves up, pushing the air out from the lungs. This process of breathing air out is called exhalation. So, the diaphragm relaxes in our body when we expel the carbon dioxide which is present in the air of our body from our nose. Then in this process, diaphragm upwards so that the air filled in our chest comes out and our chest shrinks back. This process of breathing air out is called exhalation. So here you all can see inhalation in this diagram and exhalation in this diagram. So students, now fun time. Take a measuring tape. Take a deep breath and feel your chest move outwards. With the help of your partner, measure your chest with the tape. Next, breathe out and feel your chest move inwards. Again, measure your chest with the tape. In which case does your chest measure more? First of all, you have to pull the breath in so that the chest will come out, and you have to measure the width of your chest with a measuring tape. After that, you have to leave breath and measure your chest with measuring tape again. You can take help of your friend or anyone to measure the width, the chest. You have to find out from this activity that at which time your chest gets out more, inhaling or exhaling breath. Is that clear? So students, this is your homework. You have to do it in your book. And now that's all for today. In the next class, we will see breathing speed and breath is hot and humid. So that's all class. Thank you.